Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use an LLC in 2025. An LLC is a popular business structure, primarily because it safeguards your personal assets from business liabilities. This means if your business faces a lawsuit or debt, your personal belongings like your house or car are generally protected. Furthermore, LLCs offer great flexibility in how they are taxed, avoiding the double taxation often associated with traditional corporations, as profits pass directly to the owners. Proper formation is key to an LLC's benefits. You'll file articles of organization with your state, a process that can take a few weeks to several months depending on the state and processing times. Equally vital is a detailed operating agreement, even for single-member LLCs, to solidify internal governance. Don't forget ongoing compliance, like annual reports and fees, which vary by state, but are critical to keeping your LLC in good standing and maintaining its liability protection. One of an LLC's most powerful features is its tax flexibility. By default, profits are reported on your personal tax return. However, you can elect for S-corporation taxation, which might reduce your self-employment tax burden on profits exceeding a reasonable salary. For businesses looking to retain earnings for growth or attract significant outside investment, electing C-corp taxation could offer strategic advantages, despite the potential for double taxation on distributed profits. The core benefit of an LLC is robust asset protection, creating a legal barrier to shield your personal finances from business liabilities. However, this protection depends on maintaining strict operational separation, meaning no mixing personal and business funds. Always keep separate bank accounts and meticulously document transactions. A well-managed LLC also conveys professionalism, building trust with banks, potential investors, and partners, which is crucial for sustained growth and scaling your operations effectively. To fully leverage your LLC, maintaining clear separation between personal and business finances is non-negotiable. Always use separate bank accounts and keep detailed records of all business transactions. Crucially, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A qualified attorney can guide you through legal compliance, while a tax professional ensures you're optimizing your tax strategy. Regularly reviewing your structure will help ensure your LLC continues to meet your evolving business needs effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.